Hi, hello, welcome. This is Viswanathan. I am the founder of blockmind.com. Today's topic is table press. Okay, plugin. This is one of the plugin WordPress plugin. It is used to insert data as row and column. Okay, table already you know. So for that we have to install that plugin into our WordPress. So for that we have to go into plugins, add a new plugin. Here we have to enter table press. So this is the plugin already I have installed. So it is disabled. Okay. So once you have installed, it will come in the menu. So table press. These tables I have created already. Today now we see how to create a table. So right table press this menu, add a new. Here we have to give table name. Table name, and you have to give number of rows and columns. Number of rows 2, number of columns 4. Okay, add table, click add a table. So it will give you the table ID and sort code. This is very important. This is the one we have to give it in the design, page design, we have to place the table in our website home page or any page where we have to place the table. Okay, so table name, description. Okay, so we have created two rows and four columns, A, B, C, D columns and two rows. Okay, here you can any image or data. For example, in my website I have created like affiliate programs. Okay, affiliate programs, Contabo, earnings, website, service name, website, and category cookie. So this image also we have to give the HTML code. So for this we have given like in my old table, edit here, right here these values I have created. Okay, so Contopo, I have created image file I have added, and affiliate link, right? Affiliate link I have given. Okay. So likewise, we can insert whatever how many values we want. You can insert rows and columns. Okay. Then add a new table we have seen, and how to import a table, right? We can import from other table press or other website. So file upload, choose the file. So for that we need to export as CSV file or JSON or XML or XLS. Okay, so from other source we can insert here, import, we can import here. Okay, so once selected, add a new table. We can add as a new table or replacing existing table or append rows to the existing table. So import is used to three functionalities. Okay, and export, just export whatever data you have in your table name you have to select, and format HTML or JSON or CSV. So delimiter comma or tab, okay, and zip file. It will give the zip file. You can directly import into the, like we seen, right, import, how to import. Likewise, you can import the table in another WordPress website. Okay. So, and the main thing is you have to go pages. I have placed in the home page in the table. Okay. So edit with your plugin, your theme. So here, right, I have placed the table ID for responsive is collapse. Okay. So this means it will give the responsive table. Okay. So table ID is 4. Here we have created, right. Yeah, one second. Yeah, table ID 4 we seen, right. Here we have to place this sort code. Then it will be display in the website.